Hi, RKavanaugh here with BISH'S RV. It never rains in Junction City, and it especially never rains here at BISH'S. Today I'd like to show you this lightly used 2006 Itasca 22R. So this is a cute little Class C motorhome. They are really hard to find. If you've been looking for a small motorhome, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This is a cute little 22R. So it's a small little motorhome. I'm emphasizing that because these are so rare to find. This thing is priced to sell. I am telling you, if you're watching this video, you know what I'm talking about. You can see the list price. This is going to go fast. It's in really good condition, super low miles, and I mean super low miles. It's in really good shape. Let's go have a look at the floor plan. It has one nice big slide out, so for a little tiny motorhome, it has a lot of space. Again, this is a 2006, so it's not going to look modern by most standards. But if you're looking for an affordable Class C motorhome that's small, I promise you this could be the one. You got the cab over bunk. You got a nice big sofa. You got a nice dinette. The sofa converts to a bed. The dinette converts to a bed. And then, of course, you have your main cab over bed here. Voila, you got a bed. You got a nice window, so if you have kids, they would love looking out the window. Lots of natural light here. Overall, it's actually in really good shape. The cabinets are really nice. Very clean. In older motorhomes, you're looking for some water damage. I personally have not seen any water damage, and you would easily see it on this ceiling because it's the carpeted ceiling. And let me tell you, the carpeted ceiling doesn't lie. You'll always notice if there's water damage, and I haven't seen any. So this is a nice, well-maintained, lightly used. It's got super low miles. And when I mean super low miles, I mean under 20,000 miles. A decent floor plan. You got the kitchen in the rear. You got the nice standard Norcold refrigerator with a freezer and refrigerator. And you know what I like in there? Those cold ones. So this will hold some really nice cold ones even when you're boondocking, because this is a gas electric, as in propane gas. Nice closet here. Lots of space. You got some drawers down there. And then you got the rear kitchen. Real nice and clean. So you got a microwave, of course the standard 3-burner stove, and an oven. Lots of space and lots of counter space. And then you have your bathroom, which for a small motorhome, it's a really big bathroom. So again, this is a 2006 Itasca 22R. They call it the Spirit. It's a cute little motorhome. It's got a good floor plan. I will say the only caveat is some people want a dedicated bed. This does not have the dedicated bed in the back with some of the motorhomes, but you do have a bed here, a bed on the sofa. This is an easy jackknife sofa. It'll convert to a bed very easily. And then, of course, you have the main bed there. But if you're not looking for a rear bed, this is the one, and I'm telling you, it's priced to sell. It's not going to last. If you find this video, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. My name's RKavanaugh. I really like selling these Class Cs. Let's come out, take it for a test drive. I think you'll like it, and you will especially like the price. Talk to you soon.